In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best optimal print promo codes in 2024. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for optimal print discount code. Right here, go to the website, which is couponfollow.com. And right here, we have a list with promo codes and discounts that we can use in order to get a discount. So for example, if I want to get this one with 20% off my next order, all I have to do is select your coupon code right here and use this discount code in order to get my discount. Also, you can scroll to the right here and find other you would like. For example, if I'm going to use this voucher codes, the code.uk website, as you can see right here, we have plenty of other deals. And for example, if I want to get this one right here, all I have to do is select get deal and continue to the website and the discount will be applied automatically. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.